They got a claim there.
As you guys enter, head around the engine.
Nobody cleans these boats, nobody. Watch your head, watch your step, use those handrails as you come on board. In fact, hey, don't even come on board. Come on excited. Listening to every word we say. All right, you heard him. I'm going to hit something. Wave goodbye to all the beautiful people on the dock. Bye, beautiful people. Oh my gosh, look at all those beautiful people. All right, now that we're out of earshot, let's wave goodbye to the three ugly people you saw on the dock too. You saw them too, right? I'm not going to point at them, that's rude, but their life is very hard. They need a lot of love. Welcome aboard, everybody, the world-famous Jungle Cruise! That's right, where we put the fun in no refunds. My name is Brian. I'll be your skipper for as far as we get, huh? Just a few safety reminders. We're going to remain seated with our hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. Parents, please watch your kids. I'll be watching for signs of danger and sailing on by, because that's how I live my life. Ooh, look at our first sign of wildlife. Look at all these mammals walking around on their two hind legs, living on a diet of churros and Dole Whips. Watch out for the little ones. I hear they can latch onto you for 18 to 45 years and slowly bleed you dry. That's what my parents told me anyway. Hey, look, it's the Temple of the Forbidden Eye, where famed archaeologist Indiana Jones is still searching for the world's greatest treasure. I don't know why he's searching in there, and I am right here. You'll find me one of these days. Hey, look over there, it's the Himalayan tiger. We call him the Himalayan tiger because sometimes Himalayan up there, other times Himalayan way over here. Right now, him a standing and him a growling. And I think him a hungry, so I'm going to speed up. Oh yeah, sorry, watch out on the left side of the boat. That's my friend Ginger on the water, and Ginger, snap. Keep those hands inside. Yeah, she's one tough cookie. That cookie joke, that was a little crummy, I'm sorry. But I'm going to milk it for all it's worth. Welcome to the Indian Elephant Bathing Pool, which is full of, you guessed it, Indian elephants bathing. Now before we take any photos or video of anyone while they're bathing, let me make sure they have their trunks on. Okay, it's safe. Alright, does anybody know how I can tell they're Indian elephants? Anybody? It's because we're in India. That's the big tip-off. Alright, we're going to remain seated. We got to stay seated for the whole journey. I'm about to take off. Remain seated on our behinds. On our behinds, please. Over there. There you go, little miss, because I'm about to take off right here. Whoa, everybody hold on tight. I don't want anyone to fall out. Hey, this is a little reminder. If anybody loses anything over the side of the boat during today's cruise, like a phone, like a camera, like a loved one, get my attention right away by raising your hand in the air, okay? I will raise my hand and we can wave goodbye to it together, huh? Oh my gosh, we got some monkey business going on in the circle today. All I can say about these guys is they are intense right now. They are intense. That guy's calling the shots. We better get out of here. Look what they did to my Jeep. They left the lights on. Now I'll never get it to turn over, huh? I don't know how they got it to turn over. They must have used a monkey wrench. All right. Those of you that are laughing, I can tell I got my good Jungle Cruise people here. Who woke up this morning and said, you know what, Jungle Cruise, got to do it? Yeah, me too. Me too. Were you crying when you said it? Because every single day. Oh my gosh, if you look directly ahead, you're going to see the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your life. There's also a waterfall if you're into that. Hi there. That's Schweitzer Falls, of course, named after the famed explorer Dr. Albert Falls. If you missed any part of the falls, don't worry, we're going to be going over it later. In the meantime, we've turned down the Nile River, the longest river on Earth. It's 4,000 miles long. It just goes on for miles and miles and miles. There's an African bull elephant. African bull elephants have large ears, long tusks, and an amazing memory. Anyone know how I know they're African elephants? Oh no, they have large ears, long tusks. I literally just said it. Nobody listens to me.
We're in Africa.
Large ears, long tusks, and an amazing memory. You'll remember now, won't you? Welcome to the African... Yeah, we are. It's the African belt. We call it the African belt because it holds up the African pants. It looks like we got some zebras out front. You know, zebras are the oldest animals in our jungle. You can tell because they're still in black and white. Coming around this corner, oh my goodness, have you ever seen anything more ridiculous than this? A rhino with a toupee on his tail? You're not fooling anybody with that thing, Rhino. I'm not going to argue with them, though. Never get into an argument with the rhino, folks. They'll always get their point across in the end. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear! There's two right there. Oh, I've been looking for you everywhere. Oh my goodness. What is this? I just made an oopsie. I just turned us straight into the dangers of a hippo bathing pool. These hippos are vicious. They have sunk 4 of my last 5 boats. One more and I get a free smoothie. But not today, not today. I'm gonna pull some heroics here. Everybody cover your ears. All right, I got the 2 in the trees. Let's scare away the rest of these hippos the same way I scared away my last girlfriend. Hey, will you marry me? Yes, yes, you see, already started disappearing, left town, changed her name. We'll never hear from her again. All right, well, I just saved everyone's life. How about a nice round of applause for the hero of the boat up here? Thank you so much. It's so nice to get some positive feedback. I get nothing but disrespect from my friends, my family. They all tell me my job's so easy, a monkey can do it. I mean, can you imagine? Okay, well, the joke's on them. Those are chimps, not monkeys. I can tell you the difference between a monkey and a chimp, but it's kind of a long tail, so we'll wrap that part up. Hey, speaking of chimps, we got a great love story unfolding in front of the jungle, in front of us in the jungle today. It's George and Annette. Look at them. Every time these 2 crazy kids get together, they're always giving each other butterflies. Yeah, you know those butterflies. They're not what they used to be. Ah, she got it right there. The rest of you, come on, crack an elementary school textbook. Some of these are pretty easy. All right, get those cameras ready. This is what you really came here to see. It's not me. It's this, our star attraction. It's the backside of water. O2H. O2H. Duck. Everybody, duck. 2 ducks. Is everybody okay? We were just attacked. The aerial assault. All right. The O2H, by the way, when you go past the backside of one, it's a chemistry joke. I should have warned you, I tell chemistry jokes periodically. They keep me in my element. Do you like the chemistry jokes? I got a great one about oxygen and potassium. Do you want to hear it? Alright, well, it's not a great joke, it's just okay. Well, look at that, a snake sitting in a tree. H-I-S-S-I-N-G. First comes love. Then comes a suffocating relationship from which there's no escape. Story of my life, you know? Alright, well, every attraction must end in a gift shop. We all know this. Here we are at Trader Sam's. And Trader Sam's not in right now. He's out getting some more stock. He's rifling through all the strollers that are out in Adventureland. He's going to steal your stuff, so we can sell it back to you. But look at this guy up in the top corner that's spinning around and around. He's been doing that all day long. I think he's trying to set a new record. I hope he gets it. Come on! Oh! He's the worst photographer ever. Look at him. He was clicking away until I said cheese. Oh, come on! Do one! What? Alright, he just started last week. He's not very good. But we don't even have to pay him. He just told us he would do the job for the exposure, so... You get what you pay for. That's the lesson today. And oh no, I see. Look at this. I get so sad all of a sudden because it's the saddest part of our journey. It's the part where we have to say goodbye. Right over there. Not here. Don't get out now. You'll get wet. As you can see. But I really don't want to say goodbye to you guys. You guys were great. I had so much fun on today's cruise. You know what? You know what? I think I'm gonna go again. And again. And again, and again, and again, and again for 8 hours. Oh boy, but soon you will be at the dock and you'll be getting off and you'll be free to go wherever you like today. And as you do, I want you to tell everybody how much fun you had on the Jungle Cruise. It helps keep our line short. Well, you guys have been amazing. I've taken a lot of boats out this week and you guys have been by far the most recent. And I really mean that. Watch, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat as we approach. Remain seated until we come to a full and complete stop. If you want to know the difference between a full stop and a complete stop, please let me know. I'm kind of curious myself. We're going to end this cruise on a high note, okay? Get out.
Get out.
Sorry, was that rude? Please, get out. Don't cross the boxes. Don't cross the boxes. Wait for me. Don't cross the boxes. It's a safety thing. It's a fire hazard. If you cross the boxes, now I'm going to get fired. Oh, boy. Head on out the rear of the boat.